Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who loves to travel but haven't yet tried traveling solo, this video is for you. In this video, we will be sharing 10 tips that will help you have a safe and enjoyable trip while traveling solo. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Plan your trip well. The first tip is to plan your trip well in advance. This includes researching your destination, finding out about the local customs, culture, and laws, and making sure that you have all the necessary documents and vaccinations before you go. This will help you to be prepared for any eventuality and avoid any unpleasant surprises. Tip 2. Pack light when traveling solo. It's important to pack light. This will make it easier for you to move around and carry your luggage. Plus, it will make you less of a target for thieves. Only pack what you really need, and try to choose clothes that are versatile and easy to mix and match. Tip 3. Book accommodation in advance. It's always a good idea to book your accommodation in advance when traveling solo. This will ensure that you have a safe and comfortable place to stay, and you won't have to worry about finding a place to sleep at the last minute. Plus, you may be able to get a better deal if you book in advance. Tip 4. Use common sense when traveling solo. It's important to use your common sense. This means avoiding unsafe areas, not flashing your valuables around, and being aware of your surroundings at all times. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. Tip 5. Stay connected. Make sure that you stay connected with your friends and family back home while traveling solo. This will give you peace of mind and ensure that someone knows where you are and what you're doing. Plus, it will be easier for you to get help if you need it. Tip 6. Learn the local language. Learning a few phrases in the local language can go a long way when traveling solo. It can help you to communicate with locals, make new friends, and get around more easily. Even if you don't become fluent, just a few basic phrases can make a big difference. Tip 7. Be open to new experiences. Traveling solo is a great opportunity to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Whether it's trying local cuisine, participating in a cultural event, or exploring a new part of town, be open to new experiences and you might just surprise yourself. Tip 8. Make friends with other travelers. Making friends with other travelers can be a great way to enhance your solo travel experience. You can share tips and advice, explore together, and even split the cost of accommodation or transportation. Just make sure that you stay safe and use your common sense when meeting new people. Tip 9. Keep a travel journal. Keeping a travel journal is a great way to record your memories and reflect on your solo travel experience. You can jot down your thoughts, impressions, and experiences, and even include photos or souvenirs. Plus, it will be a great keepsake to look back on in the future. Tip 10. Enjoy yourself. Last but not least, don't forget to enjoy yourself. Solo travel can be an incredibly rewarding and enriching experience, so make sure that you take the time to relax, have fun, and soak up the local culture. After all, that's what travel is all about. We hope that these tips have been helpful for you and that you feel more confident and prepared for your next solo travel adventure. Remember, solo travel can be an amazing experience that will help you grow, learn, and create unforgettable memories. If you have any additional tips or experiences to share, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures. Safe travels!